ngathi usethathekile guys lo mfana kanti ke uNozipho will fight with uKhumo emtshela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uyena bemnika amaphilisi abortion. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 14th to the 18th of April 2025 on Monday. Lucy is thrown when Samgelo does 180 on her. The internship applicants are on the edge of their seat. Belem mourned his loss on Tuesday. Meloguhle rules the day her cousin came to town. Ria is floored by what her brother reveals. Spear has no idea what her patient is capable of on Wednesday. Ayanda is gobsmacked when a key staffer quits. Lulu pulls no punches when her cousin takes her on. Kumo sees something that makes his blood boil on Thursday. Kamugelo's teammate doesn't even bother to hide her contempt. What game is Juju playing with his boss's daughter? Nozipho is shaken by a subtle but very real threat on Friday. Mpho thinks his girlfriend needs her head read. Sam wants to make his lover a date. Or want to take his lover on a date. Bele hears shocking news. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.